Good day everyone. So let's solve some problems in the basic concepts of thermodynamics. So this is the problem. What is the mass in grams and the weight in dynes and in gram force of 12 ounces of salt, and the local G is 9.65 meter per second. And we have here conversion, 1 pound mass is equals to 16 ounces. So this is how we solve the problem. Mass is equals to 12 ounces times the conversion here, 1 pound over 16 ounces times 1 kilogram over 2.205 pound mass times 1000 grams over 1 kilogram. So we can cancel here the units, kilogram, pounds, and pounds, and also ounce. So we have here left the grams. So our mass is equal to 340.14 grams. Next, to solve the weight, we have here the formula mass times gravity over K. So our mass here is 340.14 grams times dg, which is 9.65 meter per second squared, times 100 centimeter over 1 meter, so that the meter here will be cancelled over 1 gram centimeter per dyne second squared. So our weight here is equals to 328,235.10 dynes. That would be all. Thank you.